Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from, let's see here, from DLT Trading. Let's take a look and see what we got. Today I'm opening it up with my Rosie. This is the Osborne Machine Company. Beautiful little grail knife that I have always loved and wanted. So, had an opportunity to get it. So it's been still my grail of grails. Let's see what we have here today. Shows no receipts. We'll take that. All right, so we have some packaging. What do we have? Oh, what do we have here? Conic. A Koenig box made in the USA. So let's take a look. Should be pretty exciting. M390 burnished with fat PF, I'm not sure what that means. Smooth standard carbon fiber, March 1st, 2021. Certificate of authenticity. Wrapped in the cloth. Go ahead and put this over here. And here we have what is a full-sized Koenig Arius with carbon fiber. Look at that, beautiful. Love that right there. Nice flipper. Very similar to my Mini, and recently I traded my Mini for a Holt BladeWorks Haptic, which I was happy to do because I really wanted that Holt BladeWorks knife, but I was going to miss my Arius, and so this came available, and I thought, you know, the Mini is cool, but after handling the Spartan knives RC and realizing a bigger knife wasn't so bad, I always heard how big the full-size Koenig was, and I thought, I don't know. Well, being carbon fiber, I thought, man, that's just got to be nice. And sure enough, look at that. A lot of the same things, beautifully centered. A lot of the same backspacer similarities. Same clip here. Nice little clip working in there as well. Beautifully milled. You can see some of that micro milling going on in there. It does have a steel bar insert over travel stop. Captive pivot, beautifully chamfered everywhere, all the way around, smooth. There's the nice big fuller thumb hole with the flipper. So let's go ahead and give it a flip and see what happens. Oof, big, beautiful hollow grind. Look at that blade. Nice swedge on top. You see that big, beautiful, like a bead blasted sort of. Bead blasted, I guess, with a nice satin finish right there. You see Conic, not a whole lot of billboarding going on there. This is M390. And here's the frame lock. Looking at that, we got a steel bar insert. Beautifully milled right there. You have the hole, the little hole in the clip there as well, so the clip can go in and out of the pocket. Let's see what the action is like. Oh, all right, let's see, where's the detent? All right, so the detent clears right there. Let's see, oh, middle finger reverse flick. Beautiful, front finger flick. Can we get inside and do, we can, this little bonus flick area. Oh, got bonus flick, Can we do bonus flick reverse? Let's see. Let's see, can I do it? Oh, I can, I just got to get in there. There we go. Now, how about the reverse flick? The reverse flick is so nice. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, so I can definitely full grip on here. Got medium, large. I got large hands. But if you have extra large hands with regular size fingers, you'll be about the same, but this can go to extra large, double extra large. Can you choke up? Not really. I mean, it's a trigger finger. You could use it for like a pinch grip, I think. That would work well. Beautiful swedge on top. Everything's beautifully sanded. Beautiful finish. Let's see, how's that edge? The edge is pretty good. I know some people complain some of their edges weren't as sharp, but look at that. Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's drop that again. Nice. Any blade play? And they're nice and solid. Any blade rock? No, let's listen to the detent. Nice clicky. Any detent lash? I'm sure it's not any detent lash. There for a second I thought I felt it. Let's try that again. Action is great. I guess not. It just feels like it might have been there. You've got your little lanyard hole prioritized. It's not going to be super deep carry, fully concealed, but it'll be close. Not a whole lot of room in there. It does travel over there well. This feels like a much stronger clip than the Mini. I will tell you that. I wonder how that's going to work going in and out of pocket. I'll have to try that. The drop is great. The flipper is great. It doesn't feel super heavy either. This right here makes it feel really nice compared to that. Matter of fact, it feels about the same weight between the two, and this is already a super light knife, I'll tell you that much for sure. But this one here, wow, really nice. Let's see here. You just drop there, goes down, beautiful. Drop there, nice. The flipper works really well. Beautiful cutaway here. It's got a little texturing. Definitely have access. You can see there's a little cutaway into there, so this is nicely accessible. I can get to it, release it, and drop it. So to me, that's important. Drop it, release, and goes in. It's not. It's easily accessible. To me, that's an important thing, right? I want to be able to do that. All right, let's take a look. Let's do a zoom in here. All right, so here's the beautiful blade. Very, very nice with the hollow grind. And here's the, ooh, it's so big. It's taking up the whole screen here. Carbon fiber handles. Beautiful. Love that reflection. It's going to be beautiful outside. Here's the back, the titanium handle right here. You can see frame lock in here. I'm going to say about 15-20% engaged. No blade play. Here's out the back side of the blade. There we go. Beautiful. You can see the swedge up on top there. Really nice. That's gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely. Let's get a nice close-up here. So a nice visual of the blade. Overall, look at that. Just love to see that hollow grind. I don't know if you can really get the angle in there. We can really make the hollow grind stand out. Sometimes the lighting can be just perfect if you to see it. Well, maybe we can focus in like this. Can we do that? It does come to a nice thin edge all the way across, which is really nice. Action is beautiful. Yeah, really nice. I like that a lot. Matter of fact, I think this is going to be really, really, really cool. I don't know. I think I like the full size better than the mini, to be quite honest with you. As I was saying, I like the full size, and I think it's really, really good. So there we go. All right. What do y'all think? Yeah. All right. We'll have a full review, full breakdown and discussion of this as we get a chance to discuss it and stuff like that. I think it'll be pretty exciting. I will tell you all the little things that I do notice. Chamfering all the way across, clip. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. We'll have to edit that out. Yeah, so beautifully textured. Everything's smooth. The carbon fiber feels flawless. There's actually a little milling pattern on there that you can see. It's really, really fantastic. The chamfering, everything around here is really nicely done. It's a beautiful piece of carbon fiber. It's even a relief up here, especially up here for the flipper. The jimping is perfect. Really nice. You don't need to tune this at all. The action is just fantastic as it stands like this right here. I like that a lot. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Oops. Really, really nice. It's so light though because of the carbon fiber, which is really cool. There's no liner in here. The frame lock works really well. This is a steel bar insert over travel stop, which is fantastic. I like all of that. Texture all the way back. This is nice and rounded, not sharp anywhere, which is, I think, is fantastic. So just a lot of positives here. A lot of really, really, really good things about this knife. I think it's just pretty exciting. I mean, I know it's very similar to large, but I think there's a lot to be explored. They're different, but yet very similar, right? So there's a lot of similarities, but yet they're very different. So that's what I think is really cool about this. I think the size for that. So yeah, there we go. We'll have to have a full review, discussion about this. I can just tell you there's just a lot of positives so far. I love the action. I love everything about it. Yeah, really cool. All right. Well, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, or just, interesting, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you, especially to those of you guys who watch the videos, who subscribe, who like. Man, I sure appreciate you. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below. And then to all my channel members, a big thank you. A lot of you guys have been channel members since the very beginning. I am so appreciative to you guys, especially to those who've joined recently. Man, it's just amazing. Amazing to see everyone be a part of that. And so thank you. You guys really, really do help the channel and move things along. Exciting, exciting. So thank you. Thank you as we move forward. If you haven't already and you've been on the fence, you've been interested, check out the description down below. There's a link for possible, 3 different tiers of membership if you're interested. If you're a brand new member, email me with your name and address. I will send you out a sticker. And if you haven't already emailed me, you've been a member for a while, email me anyways, and I'll send you out a sticker even if you've been a member for a while. And then for all the members, there's a once a month giveaway. We did a March giveaway, and we'll also do a April giveaway, and for every month, right? So for the members only giveaway. So that is something exclusive. Not trying to bribe you or lure you in, but you know, hey, that is a benefit, and I try to make those nice. So I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, let me get my card here. Also, make sure you go and check me out over on Instagram. Again, on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.